Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use Temu without a credit card, so let's get right into it. Now, if you're not using a credit card, you might need other methods of payment, such as PayPal, such as Gcash, JazzCash, or any other way. You can use Google Pay and Apple Pay. However, pretty sure you need a credit card for that, but I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. Now, once you make your order, you can go into checkout, or you can just go into your account settings and add a payment method through there, but pretty much you just need to enter the checkout for this. And once you enter all of your information for your address and everything, you'll have the payment methods available. Of course, you have your card, but you also have PayPal, you have ClearPay, you have Klarna, you have Google Pay, and you have other methods which might be available in your region as well. As you can see, for some reason, some of my options are grayed out. Not sure why. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You just need to select whichever method you want. For example, if I select PayPal, as you can see, you can just click order and pay, and then you'll need to enter your payment method. And once you log in, you'll be able to use it without the use of your credit card. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.